How to fix Tapswap overload problem. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to fix the Tapswap overload problem. So without further ado, let us begin. So I'll just start off by opening the Tapswap app or bot. So just click on start now right here. And then let's say we will receive the problem right here in which there will be an overload problem in Tapswap. So what you want to do is just click on the three dots right here in the top right corner and then just click on reload page. So this will just reload the bot and then there might be a chance that the problem will be fixed. But if that doesn't work, what you can do is to just join the Tapswap community and then from here just keep on track on what updates the developer has of their bot, because sometimes they do maintenance repairs so that they will fix the overload problem. So yeah, there's nothing much you can do with this instead of waiting, because the developers are really doing their best to fix this problem. So as an example right here, it says maintenance has started. So we will inform you as soon as we are live again. So yeah, just check their Tapswap community group to make sure if they're doing maintenance updates or if they're fixing the problem. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to fix Tapswap overload problem.